Hey guys, in this beginner InDesign tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a perfect circle in Adobe InDesign. So lucky for you, InDesign actually has a tool for this. If we go over and we find our polygon tool, or not our polygon tool, our shape tools, it might be a rectangle for you. You also have the frame tool. They have the same amount of shapes inside. We click and hold, we get the ellipse tool. Shortcut key is L. Now the ellipse tool, basically, if you click and drag, you're going to create some sort of oval shape. If you want this to be a perfect circle, hold Shift. That's going to lock it into place just like this. If you want to create it from the center out, like where you clicked outward, hold Option or Alt at the same time, just like this. Now, if you let go of your click, it's going to create this perfect circle. Now this was a shape. So we can do a fill or a stroke. We can swap them or click on one and do both. Just double click, select a color, just like that. Here on the right-hand side, a little easier to see. You can change the point size of your stroke, maybe 10. We can adjust the fill, make it any color we want, and we can remove them, make this 0, change the opacity, do a lot of things in our appearance panel. I can scale this up and down just by selecting it. The shortcut key is V for the selection tool. Scale it up and down, hold Shift to keep it in line. We can also create a frame that's a circle. They act the same, but the frame won't have a fill or stroke. You can add one, but you don't need one. But it does have an X indicating you can put an image in there. So what we could do is go up to File, Place, and select an image. Make sure Replace Selected Item is unchecked. Hit Open, and we can drop that image just by clicking on the frame like that. You can also do this with shapes, but the frame has an X in it indicating while you're working on your document that you want to put some graphics in there. Now you can adjust the fitting, right click, go to fitting. We could fill the frame proportionally, just like that. So it basically sits that image right inside of there. Now the frame is this outside blue border. If we click on the center here, we actually can see a red border, and that's our image. So you'll notice that as I squeeze this frame down, it actually adjusts the frame, not the image. If I click on the image and squeeze the image down, it'll adjust the image inside of the frame. And we can always fix that by right-clicking on that frame and going back to that fitting and filling it however you want, just like that. But that's how to make a perfect circle here in Adobe InDesign.